Welcome to DLRP Fans, your go-to for all things Disneyland Paris. In this video, we're bringing you the latest updates from the parks, including what's new, what's changing, and what you won't want to miss. With Marvel Studios' The Fantastic Four first steps landing in cinemas now, it's time to rally your family and power up for a fantastic adventure at Disneyland Paris. For the first time ever, the Thing is making his debut at Disneyland Paris. He's big, he's bold, and he's ready to say it loud. It's clobbering time. Visit the Gateway Portal in Walt Disney Studios Park for a chance to meet this rock-solid superhero. Just remember, his appearance isn't guaranteed every day. And that's not all. Don't miss out on our fan-tasty new treats. For a limited time, Marvel Avengers Campus and Disney Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel, are serving up cosmic creations inspired by Mr. Fantastic, the Invisible Woman, the Human Torch, and the Thing himself. Ready to take home a piece of the action? Show your support for Marvel's first family with super souvenirs and exclusive merchandise you won't want to miss. The Fantastic Four have arrived. Are you ready to join them? This summer at Disneyland Paris, something special has stepped up to the plate. The brand new terrace at Casey's Corner. For the first time ever, a structure of this scale has been added to the original Main Street USA experience. It's a proud milestone for the Walt Disney Imagineering Paris and design and delivery teams, blending elegance, charm, and just the right touch of sporty spirit. This new covered terrace invites guests to enjoy their meals in a beautifully sheltered space rich with Victorian details. From its multi-roof design and decorative spindle friezes to frosted glass globe lamps with brass finishes, the architecture stays true to the Main Street USA charm we all love. But here's where it gets really fun. Baseball fans, keep your eyes open. The spirit of Casey's Corner lives on through clever nods to the sport. Baseball bats are subtly woven into the railings, roof gables, and even the backs of the chairs. Look closer and you'll spot baseball motifs in bat reliefs, on seating, and yes, even on the sorting bins. So next time you stop by for a hot dog, take a moment to soak in the details. Because at Casey's Corner, the magic is in the design. Exciting news from Walt Disney Studios Park. The building permit for the upcoming up-themed attraction has officially been granted. Known internally as Project AIR, this new family-friendly spinner will soon take guests on a whimsical flight through the world of Up, right in the heart of the new Adventure Way zone. The expansion will occupy a surface area of 793 square meters, marking a major milestone for the park's continued transformation. Guests will begin their adventure in a charming covered queue area spanning approximately 310 square meters. From there, they'll board a circular platform 20 meters in diameter, with space for 64 passengers per cycle. And here's where it gets really impressive. With an estimated capacity of around 950 guests per hour, this attraction is built with efficiency in mind. To reach that throughput, a full cycle, including boarding, the ride itself, and unloading, will need to happen roughly every 4 minutes. To put that in perspective, similar attractions from other parks typically run on a 2-minute cycle, but with just 32 seats per spin. That means the up-themed spinner is not only larger, but also a game changer in terms of capacity and scale. Get ready to take off. An uplifting new adventure is coming to Walt Disney Studios Park. Get ready for a dazzling experience. A million splashes of color returns to Disneyland Paris in February 2026. Step into this vibrant musical show and dive into the heart of Disney's creative inspiration, where color, music, and imagination come to life like never before. Let's take a closer look at some of the ongoing construction at Disneyland Paris. One of the biggest projects right now is the highly anticipated World of Frozen. While Disney has not yet confirmed an official opening date, the current rumor points to a possible debut in spring 2026. Keep in mind that date is not official and could still change. What is certain, though, is that construction is moving full steam ahead, and excitement is building as we get closer to bringing the Kingdom of Arendelle to life in the heart of Walt Disney Studios Park. While construction on the second park continues at full speed, a touch of timeless charm has just been added to Disney Adventure World. At the heart of Adventure Way, in what will become Gazebo Garden, the Walt Disney Imagineering Paris teams have begun installing brand new scenery elements, beautiful bronze statues inspired by classic English parks. Each statue features a beloved character from a British tale. Peter Pan stands tall on a pilaster, ready to fly. Winnie the Pooh rests on a bench, deep in thought. And nearby, Pongo and a playful group of Dalmatian puppies gather around another bench, all inviting guests to slow down, take a stroll, and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. Once the expansion opens in 2026, these charming details will be part of the newly transformed Walt Disney Studios Park, soon to be known as Disney Adventure World. There's something new hopping over at Toad Hall Restaurant in Disneyland Paris. The charming eatery nestled in the heart of Fantasyland has just introduced self-service kiosks for ordering meals, a first for this location. These digital kiosks, similar to the ones already in use at Café Hyperion, are designed to make your dining experience smoother and more flexible. Now guests can simply walk up, place their order on the screen, check for allergens if needed, and pay using Visa, MasterCard, or American Express, all without waiting in line at the counter. The system is available in English, French, and Spanish, making it accessible to a wide range of visitors. And if you prefer the classic way of ordering, don't worry. Traditional counter service and cash registers are still there too. This update is part of Disneyland Paris's broader efforts to bring more convenience and innovation to the guest experience, making each visit more enjoyable than the last. So next time you're craving fish and chips at Toad Hall, you might just find yourself ordering with a tap of a screen. And that wraps up this update from Disneyland Paris. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories, construction progress, and magical moments from the parks. Got questions or spotted something we missed? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you real soon here on DLRP Fans.